Hi everyone, my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel. In this video, we are going to explore another method, how we are able to convert the number into percentage with these three simple steps. If let's say I were to select the numbers to change to percent, it will be inaccurate because they should be divided by 100 before converting into percentage. Let me undo. And the very first step we want to do is we type 100, and because we want to further divide all the numbers with this 100. After we type, we copy, and the second step we want to have is to select the range we want to convert into percentage. Then we go to paste and paste special. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Alt V to go to paste special. Inside paste special, we have the operation choose to divide. That means in the future, you want to have a quick calculation, you can choose add, subtract, or multiply. Because I want to conserve the formatting already exists, I want to paste as values. Once I'm done, I press OK, and you have this thing done. The second step is done. The third step, we just need to convert this into percentage and remove the 100 that we have just typed. With these simple three steps, we are able to convert the number into percentage with ease. If you like this video and you are benefiting from this video, please like and share this video to others so that your friends and colleagues can benefiting from this learning as well. And remember to subscribe so that you are able to stay tuned for the future updates. And my name is Excel, your Excel Sifu from Excel.